Easy now, big fella. Keep it moving, nice and slow.
Lane 3, subject Delta 9, showing normal vitals. Proceeding on schedule. Heart rate is stable. How are the readings on the scanner? All within parameters, doctor. Sending the file now. Received and logged. Heart rate and respiration are perfectly stable.
That's good news. The new feed regimen is working.
Cleanliness check complete on Group A. Confirmed. Ready for transfer to Stage 2.
The sensor readings on line 3 are fluctuating. I see it. Adjust the flow rate slightly.
Maintain strict chemical balance.
The levels are confirmed. We are maintaining strict quality here. Yes, the data matches the visual inspection.
Look here at the deviation score. It is negligible. We can approve the batch.
Brown coloring process begins in controlled dyeing chambers. Leather sheets are treated with industrial dyes. Machines rotate materials evenly in tanks.
This texture here is slightly off.
Noted. I'll mark it down as a minor variance.
All systems are ready for operation. Finding solutions for processing.
Let's begin the line now.
Check the pressure on line 3. Make sure it's within the safety parameters. As you can see, the polished surfaces are flawless, making this truly export ready.